Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. Good evening Ma'am Novi Nurasana. Thank you so much for coming today. It was an honor for me today to deliver a presentation with my group friends. The topic we will discuss are democracy, care people points, only expectation. Introduce my name Della Silsilia Putri, who will serve as moderator today, and the member of my group are Gusma Juwita, Rani Permata Sartis, Fahrul Ramadan Akhnil, Rangga Zamaharendra, and the last Muhammad Ilham Akbar. Tatisius once said, the more care of the Republic, the more numerous laws. Hopefully, the presentation will run smoothly and according to what I expected. In this presentation, we will cover main points, firstly democracy and secondly oligarchy. Let's just start with the main points be presented by presentator.
Democracy corrupted, people voice only expectation. What is democracy? Democracy is a system of government from the people, for the people, and by the people, where everyone can take part in decisions that will affect his life in the state. 31 years of reformation, Indonesia saw an increasing direction of progress in upholding law and human rights, quite the opposite.
The issue of democracy that is not running, according to its meaning, has often become a spirit problem for the Indonesian people. Democracy, which means people's power, can actually burden people's political freedom. See now tends towards oligarchy. And what is oligarchy? Oligarchy itself means government run by a group or regime on the basis of will. In influence can make this regime control the government. And thank you.
On the other hand, Indonesia's civil liberties and democracy are in decline. People who criticize government policies often have to deal with the muzzles of state soldiers. Moreover, at this time, the practice of corruption has in fact not disappeared in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic that has hit the country for the past year. For example, 2 ministers in Jokowi's cabinet have been caught in a sting operation by Corruption Eradication Commission. The sad thing is that social assistance, or commonly called bansos, for the people of Indonesia is also being corrupted by state red.
The case of democracy and corruption in Indonesia. First, students holding demonstration were repressed by the police with excessive force exertion. An example is the Trisakti tragedy in which shooting of students was found. There are 4 students who died and dozens of people were injured as a result of shootings carried out by police officers. And 2, when the leadership of President Jokowi was in the first period, the people were shocked by various passages of draft laws that did not side with the people, especially in terms of fulfilling human rights. For example, there is an omnibus law where women's rights are removed, such as menstrual leave on the first or second day, or maternity leave until childbirth, and there are still many human rights that are fulfilled.
The leadership of the House of Representatives, term of the mic of a member of the House of Representatives, named the Democratic faction, Irwan Pengko, will interrupting the Omnibus Law plenary session. The Corruption Eradication Commission, or KPK, which has been trusted by the public in saving people money, was created in such a way through the revision of the 2019 KPK law and the selection process for KPK leaders, which was full of problems.
We can imagine how green a trees less had the attitude of the start weak tend to be anti-people and more in favor of the interstate business. Decrease is currently a challenge for the running of democracy and the uploading of human of Indonesia, the impact will introduce poverty and the suffering of the people will be widespread. Setting this kind of situation, there is the hot hair way but to build the power of people solidarity in order to save and her decent living for the state and the oligarchy. They will continue to accumulate power and capital by extorting the sweat of the people, and Indonesia natural research. We have to turn on the alarm, save KPK, nyalakan tanda bahaya.
That was our group presentation. I, as moderator, apologize for shortcoming and thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.